and welcome back to my channel, Rojo Unboxing and Reviews. I'm Rojo Red, and look what we have here today. Today is December 8th, 2020, and here we have the J Balvin's Jordan 1's high ones. And this is a unexpected sneaker for 2020, and it was super famous back at the Super Bowl this year when he wore them to the performance with J Lo and Shakira, right? So here we go. Look at that explosion of colors. It gets you right away. It gets you right away, and then we see the papers with the uh, logos and everything that represents J Balvin and my people of Colombia. Uh, and there we go. We see a couple of extras, and here we go. Look at those colors, the happy face, and all the blending of the colors. It gets you. You know, I can't wait to wear these on a casual day or going out. I know it's gonna be fun. Look at that. Look at all the detail. And like I said before, the blending, blending of colors, and it's a really, really, really nice looking sneaker. And we see the outsole is pink, actually, instead of white. Now, white sole is what we used to see, but J Balvin is different, and we can see that in this sneaker right now, and it looks great. And I like that back of the sneaker, all blue. It looks really, really, really good. We see the happy face on the tongue, and on the back of it, we see the Jordan logo, and looks really good. Look at that. That lights, it's helping out bring out those colors and all that contrast of the background that I'm using. So then we see that we got some shoelaces, extra ones. We got green, we got white, and we got the pink ones. And these pink ones, they match the outsoles. So that's a win-win situation. And then we got the velcros to exchange on the side of the sneaker. We see some basketballs, we see some thunders and happy faces. And on the left shoe, we got the Jordan logo, which is the one that I'm gonna keep, and you can exchange them as much as you like. But I'm gonna keep the Jordan for now. Look at that, boom, perfect. And then we see what we have. Looks great. All the shoelaces, the velcros, all the extras. And once again, thank you for coming to see my video.